How to be live on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can be live on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to be live on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch a TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, you will see this type of interface. So first of all, come to your profile page from the bottom right and make sure that you have at least over 1000 followers. So if you don't have over 1000 followers, then you will not be able to go live. After you make sure that you're eligible for 1000 followers and that you have the live option, you can tap the plus option from the bottom of the screen here. Now in my case, you can see two options called camera and templates, but if you are someone who has over 1000 followers, you'll find one more option over here known as live, and when you tap the live option, you'll be able to go live on TikTok. If you don't have 1000 followers, you will not be able to see those options. So this way you'll be able to be live at TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.